Welcome to PeopleCentral. Are you tired of waiting on hold for support without having to speak with support agent? Well, we got you covered. PeopleCentral have 4 channels to serve customers. First, 24/7 portal access. Second, knowledge base. Third is support videos. And fourth is Abby chatbot. Now, let me give you a little brief about it. Well, our customers are happier when they can find their solutions without having to wait for support agent to call them. That's why PeopleCentral offers 24/7 access to their help center. Also, this help center includes the comprehensive knowledge base with 261 articles as well as support video with over 185. You always can search for the articles through keyword or topic, or you can also browse through the video library to find a solution to your problem. So we also have Abby chatbot available to help you with any question you have. It understands a natural language and also can help you to find an answer quickly and easily. So this is PeopleCentral website, Help Center. So this is where I click and you can find all the channels here. So when I scroll down, so these are the channels that I briefed about: 24/7 support portal access, knowledge base, support video, and Abby chatbot, right? So here you can see the Abby chatbot. When I click here, I get the screen where you can find knowledge base article. So let's see, leave. So I will get an article and with full description video here. So I can probably play here and understand it and can perform it. This is very descriptive, very easy to use it. Also, you can see here's ticket. So you can click here. You can also submit a ticket from here. You have to write your contact name, email, and subject, or description about it, and can submit the ticket. This is a chat where this will ask you, hello, how may I help you today? So you can write whatever is your query. It will help you to give an answer. This is the help center, help.peoplecentral.co. This is a portal where you can see all the knowledge base. This is a popular article that we have on the portal. So you can browse here also, how to apply leave, for example. So you get all this knowledge base. How to apply a new leave request, how to apply unpaid / no pay leave, how to apply a new claim request. So as I want how to apply leave, so I'll go and click here. So I'll get the descriptive video with all the information. So here you don't have to wait for any support agent to call you back, or probably waste your time on call and keep on hold. So it is very easy to use. Also, you can submit the ticket as well. Let's go back. This is the ticket. So once you sign in, you can see all the track here until now. How many tickets you have submitted, what was the status, what was the conversation. You can have everything here after signing it up, right? So this is very easy to use, this portal. You can get all the information here once and all. You don't have to wait for a call. You just type it and get the information so easily. So at the last, overall, you will, with 24/7 portal access, extensively knowledge base with support videos and Abby chat, you'll have all the resources to get help with when you need it. So it is very simple.